Social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter have become integral parts of our daily lives. These platforms connect us with friends, family, and the world at large, offering a constant stream of content tailored to our interests. However, few people fully understand how this content is selected and presented to them. The answer lies in the complex algorithms powered by artificial intelligence that manage our social media feeds. These algorithms are designed to optimize user engagement, keeping us scrolling, clicking, and interacting as much as possible. In this video, we'll explore how AI-driven algorithms work on social media platforms and the profound impact they have on our online experiences. How AI algorithms decide what you see. At the heart of social media platforms are AI algorithms that analyze vast amounts of data to determine what content to show each user. These algorithms consider several factors, including user behavior, the content's popularity, and the relevance of the content to the individual user. Social media platforms track every interaction users have with content. This includes likes, shares, comments, and even how long a user spends viewing a particular post. AI algorithms use this data to create a profile of each user's preferences. For example, if you frequently like posts about travel, the algorithm will prioritize showing you more travel-related content. This process, known as personalization, ensures that the content in your feed is tailored to your interests, increasing the likelihood that you'll engage with it. Content popularity. Another factor that algorithms consider is the overall popularity of a piece of content. Posts that receive a high level of engagement, likes, shares, comments from other users, are more likely to be shown to a broader audience. The logic behind this is that if many people are engaging with a post, it must be interesting or valuable. However, this can create a feedback loop where popular content becomes even more popular simply because it's being shown to more people. Relevance and recency. AI algorithms also weigh the relevance and recency of content. Relevance is determined by analyzing the content's keywords, hashtags, and overall topic, matching them with what the algorithm knows about the user's interests. Recency ensures that users see the latest updates, rather than outdated posts. For instance, on Twitter, the algorithm might prioritize showing you breaking news or trending topics over older tweets, assuming that newer information is more relevant to you. The role of machine learning in social media algorithms. Machine learning, a subset of AI, plays a crucial role in the functioning of social media algorithms. Machine learning models are trained on vast data sets that include user interactions, content types, and engagement metrics. Over time, these models learn to predict what content a user is most likely to engage with. The more data the model processes, the better it becomes at making accurate predictions. For example, Facebook's algorithm, known as EdgeRank in its early days, has evolved into a highly sophisticated system that uses machine learning to analyze and rank every possible piece of content that could appear in a user's feed. The algorithm considers hundreds of signals, such as the relationship between the user and the content creator, the type of content, and the time of the post. It then assigns a score to each piece of content and arranges the feed based on these scores, showing users what it predicts they will find most engaging. Instagram, owned by Facebook, uses similar techniques. Its algorithm analyzes a user's past behavior, including likes, comments, and searches, to curate a personalized feed. Instagram's Explore page, for example, is a result of machine learning algorithms that predict what content is likely to interest the user, based on their activity and the activity of users with similar interests. The impact of AI-driven algorithms on users. While AI algorithms have made social media feeds more personalized and engaging, they also have significant, sometimes unintended consequences. One major concern is the creation of filter bubbles and echo chambers. Because the algorithms prioritize showing content that aligns with a user's existing interests and beliefs, users are less likely to be exposed to diverse viewpoints. This can reinforce existing biases and contribute to polarization, particularly in the context of political and social issues. Moreover, the focus on engagement can lead to the promotion of sensational or emotionally charged content, as these types of posts are more likely to trigger strong reactions and, consequently, higher engagement. This phenomenon can exacerbate the spread of misinformation and harmful content, as the algorithms may inadvertently prioritize misleading or extreme content simply because it generates more interaction. Another impact is the pressure on content creators to game the algorithms. Knowing that certain types of content are more likely to be promoted, creators may prioritize producing clickbait or sensational content over quality or accuracy to maximize their reach and engagement. Conclusion: AI-driven algorithms on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter play a central role in shaping our online experiences. These algorithms analyze our behavior, predict our interests, and curate content that is likely to keep us engaged. While this personalization makes social media more relevant and enjoyable for users, it also has significant implications, including the risk of creating echo chambers, promoting sensational content, and affecting the mental health of users. As social media continues to evolve, it is essential for both users and platforms to be aware of the power and influence of these algorithms. Understanding how they work and their potential impacts can help users make more informed decisions about their online behavior and encourage platforms to develop algorithms that prioritize not just engagement, but also the well-being of their users and the health of the online ecosystem. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Just click the button below and join our community.